again, even without Justin in the second half, we stayed in the game. Although we don't view it as an excuse naman talaga. We still expect to win because it's a championship. Wala nang time for excuses. Oo, dapat. Kasi scramble situation na rin yun. Coming off missed shot by Steven. So, transition. So, yun, nagkaroon na ng scramble. Guys it's a loose ball. Everybody was trying to tap the ball. And of course, yung pang-apat na yata na rebound yun. It ended up sa ng bata was free in the corner and made a big shot. So, that proved to be the big difference.
So far, development kay JP?
Wala pa. So, hintay lang natin kung anong sasabihin ng mga doctors. We're hoping for the best. Let's see. We'll probably have a clear perspective tomorrow. Anong mangyayari.
Do you expect the worst?
No naman. We're still hoping for the best. If it's dislocated, then hopefully we can find lang natin sana walang balik, diba? But again, it's hard to speculate now kasi wala pa talagang kakapunta pa lang sa kanya sa hospital, so we just have to wait.
When you saw him fall that way, medyo
Hindi ko talaga nakita yung kung paano nasaktan probably sa floor, I really don't know. Pero he was in pain. So, yun. Pinatenda naman kagad siya ng doctor sa fitness. But again, hindi pa na, I think yung doctor recommended bring him na here para sure. Kasi crucial dyan, yung first aid. Diba, may ganun trauma, pag may injury na ganun. Importante kung yung ginagawa mo sa umpisa, So, para dapat maayos yung unang kaya it was safer to bring him to the hospital.
Coach, we know na medyo malaking bagay talaga si Justin sa team. Pero how concerning it is yung situation, especially short turnaround lang to game for Friday?
Well, definitely it's a big concern. Because see Justin, he provides a lot of stuff for us, not only on offense but in defense, and part of our system revolves around Justin. But again, we had a taste of playing without him here in the second half. But again, it's going to be tougher because Tom and Lex will also adjust. But we don't know if Justin is going to play on Sunday or not. We're still hoping that he can play. Warrior naman to si Justin but basta kaya niya, kung konti sakit niya, maglalaro yan. So we're just waiting and hoping we get good news.
Thank you, Coach.
All right, thank you guys, thank you.